Hey, here's my 2-pack of carbon filters. These work with the Germ Guardian air purifier. So this pack comes with 2 filters and then 6 carbon pre-filters. You can swap out the carbon pre-filters very easy. They just Velcro right onto the back. So get rid of your old one, put your new one on. Kind of saves the life of your main filter here. And then when it's time to replace the filter, this is an exact fit. As you can see, it slides right in. It's very easy to swap out. Once again, here's the Velcro pre-filter. It's got an arrow to show you what direction you need to put it in. Slide it right in, nice and easy, done.